Welcome to another Python tutorial. In this video, we will cover two important topics: how to loop through lists and how to use list comprehensions to make your code shorter and easier to read. Let's begin. A loop helps you go through each item in a list one at a time. This is very useful when you want to do something with all the items in the list. In this example, we have a list of fruits. The for loop takes each item from the list one by one and stores it in the variable fruit. Then, we print each fruit. So, the output will be apple, banana, and cherry. Now, what if you also want to know the position of each item in the list? Python has a tool called enumerate to help with that. Let me show you. The enumerate function gives you both the position, called the index, and the item itself. So, now we know that apple is at position 0, banana is at 1, and cherry is at 2. List comprehensions are a shortcut to create new lists or modify existing ones. They save time and make your code look cleaner. Let's start with an example using a regular loop first. Here, we're creating a new list called squares. Using a regular loop for each number in the list numbers, we square it and add it to the squares list. Now, let's do the same thing with a list comprehension. With a list comprehension, everything is written in one line. The format is, in square brackets expression for item and list. The expression is what you want to do with each item, and the result goes into the new list. You can also add a condition to filter items. For example, let's create a list of only the even numbers. Here, the condition if number modulus 2 is equal to 0 checks if the number is even. If it is, we add it to the new list even underscore numbers. This makes our code shorter and easier to read. In this video, we learned how to loop through lists and how to use list comprehensions to create or modify lists quickly. These skills are very useful when working with data in Python. Keep practicing until the next video. See you next time.